My name is Mrs. Kolta. I am the art teacher in Kennedy School. I have a short video presentation for you with all the information about my class, and also you can access it through my teacher website, where you can find additional information or contact information in case you need to reach out to me. I hope this is helpful, and if you have questions, please do not hesitate to contact. Thank you so much, and enjoy.